Hello and welcome once again on my YouTube channel. So as you know that we are here solving the equations, quadratic equations. In quadratic equations we are solving and using the methods. First methods of factorization methods to solve the quadratic equation. Second methods we are using the completing the square methods, and the third methods we will use the quadratic formula. So here we will take some more example to solve the quadratic equations by completing the square methods, so that we can improve our quality and standard to solve the questions and its accuracy. So let's say start with some example. Okay, come to the point. Say here's the, suppose that's a example is given here. So example, find the root of the equations. Equations is here. It's a given equations. 5x square minus 6x plus 2. Okay, 5x square minus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, by completing the square method. Completing the square methods, this method is important because as we know that every method is important, but we have to understand the methods and its tricks and ideas, so that we can solve without any difficulties. Okay, so let's say start to solve these types of the questions related to the completing the square methods, so that we can improve our the solutions criteria. So here is the solutions stepwise, as we have already got it and remembered it, memorized it in the minds, and we have to remember now whatever we have memorized. So here is the formula, equations. We have 5x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. Step first is telling is here, telling that we have to write the these equations in unity. So in unities we have to divide 5 x square for find x square as a unity. So we have to divide 6 was 5 by 5. So we have to divide all by 5. So one another trick is also available here. So without divisions we can also find it by completing the square method. So let's say have this here, it is not in unity, so we take this as here 5x square minus uh, so take here that multiply the equation first by 5s. Okay, so multiply, let's multiply here. So right here the formula 5x square 5 5 are 25x square minus 30x minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, now split this 30. Okay, factorize this 30. So right here we will write here 25x square minus 2 into, okay, 5x 2 into 5x into 3, okay, minus 10 is equal to 0. We can write this by factorization. So here is the factor of the 30, 2 into 5x into 3. We also say this 30. Okay, so again we will write here 25x square, got it, and transpose this c in the RHS, minus 2 into 5x into 3 is equal to 10. Okay, we have transpose these left sides. So right first and keep here, so we can say that so this and this addition, as next steps telling that so add the c, the value of b in both sides of its square. Okay, so right here 25x square minus 2 into 5x into 3 plus 3 square is equal to 10 plus 3 square. Okay, this now further we will take the sums more methods, next steps will be this a square plus b square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here is 25 square is here, so 5 x square, 5x minus is given a minus 3 whole square. But it can be these equations can be changed into the 5x minus 3 whole squares and is equal to 10 plus 3 3 ja 9. Okay, 3 3 ja 9. So we can write it further that 5x minus 3 whole square is equal to 19. Got it? Okay, so we can write here that if 5x minus 3 is equal to 19, then 5x minus 3 is equal to root 19, or we can say that so 5x is equal to plus or minus root 19 plus 3. Got it? So x is equal to we can write here as plus or minus root 19 by plus 5 by 3 by 5. Okay, these equations we have taken these equations from here. So 5, so x value is here 5, 3 plus 19. If in case of plus, taking the plus, if we take the plus, take the positives. So here is the x is equal to under root 19, we can write here so 3 plus root 19 by 5, and if it is take it negatives, then we will write here so x is equal to 3, if we take here negative 3 minus 3 19 under root 19 minus 3 by 5. This will be the equations under root 19, 3 minus root 19 by 5. So 3 roots 19 minus 5 are 19 minus 3 by 5. These are the equations, and this will be our answer, and it would be the roots of the given equations and the solutions of these types of the quadratic equations. So let's see some more examples here. So we can we can solve easily by completing the square methods and solve it. So let's say example x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, this is simple questions, and these questions can be solved easily if you try it in a quick manner. Okay, so quick manners you can solve by trying it. There is no any types of the problems that will come here, and you can solve these types of the questions. Okay, so here we have written x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So first steps, you know that what would be the first steps? First we will write here x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 is in unity, So don't change the unity because x square is in unity. So x square is in unity. So write second steps, transpose the value of the constant x means c. So x square minus 5x is equal to 6. Okay, we have transposed it. Now further what we will do here, again so we will take this as a unity. So we have written here now x square minus 5x is equal to 6. 6 is unity. So value of b, we will add value of b in both equations, both sides. So value of c is here given in, sorry, b, so b is 5, so here the value x square minus 5x plus 5's whole square is equal to 6 plus 5 square. Okay, so we have add here value, so value is given here, so, and we have added its value, so we have find here. Now further next steps we will see that x is a square plus b square plus 2ab. What it's a square plus b square plus 2ab, this will be, so it becomes x minus, sorry, x minus 5's whole square. Got it? So x minus 5 is whole square is, we will get it. So here would be the values of 6 plus 5 is equal to 25. Okay, so 6 plus 5, sorry, 6 plus 25 is equal to 31. Okay, so x is minus 5 whole square is equal to 31. Then take is x minus 5 is equal to 31 root. Okay, so x is equal to under 31 by under 31 plus 5. If we taking plus minus, then if we takes the plus, then it becomes x is equal to x is root 31 plus 5. And if we are taking it as a negative positives, sorry, negatives, then 31 minus 5 minus 5. So this will be your answer. Okay, so 31 minus 5 and 31 plus 5 is the answer of these questions. And I know that, so you can solve these types of the questions by 5s and root 2s, so that you can solve it, you can do as a given equations, and these equations can be solved by the completing the square methods. And completing the square method is the such method through which we can solve each and every equations, and we have taken here. So sorry, it's one thing is remained here, so because we have not write it's half of the square, so half of the square we have done here. So no, so half of the square is here, and half of the square is here, so it becomes the 5 upon 2 whole square. So 5 upon 2 whole squares means that 5 upon 2 whole squares, it becomes the 5 upon 2 whole square, so 6 plus by 4, so 6 by 4 24 plus 25 by 4 is equal to 49 by 4. So we can write this is equal to 49 by 4. So root value x is equal to 5 by, sorry, x is equal to always be 49 by 4 root 49 by 4. We can write it as a form of 49 by 4 7 by 2. Okay, 7 by 2. So here x is equal to 7 by 2, and here will be a positive sum, so it will be plus 5 by 2. Then it becomes 12 by 2 is equal to 6, and second, if we are taking negative, 7 by 2 plus 5, sorry, minus 5 by 2, so it becomes 7 by 2, 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So this answer will convert into the answer will always be 6 and 1. So this will be the answer of these equations and the questions. So these types of questions generally, we are solving and taking it one by one. So let's take some more example. Let's take some more example. Here is the question. Suppose that here is the example third. This is example second, and the previous example first example. So let's say example first. Third example is given here, x square minus 3x minus 10. So x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, we have written the example, and now further, so it start x square minus 3x, it's minus 10 is equal to 0 is in, sorry, where x square is in unity. So x square is already given in unity, so convert this unity into the another version. So right here x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So transpose this 10 in right sides. So x square minus 3x is equal to 10. Okay, x square minus 3x is equal to 10. So again, solve these equations by x square minus 3x. X square minus 3x is equal to 10. Okay, so next steps of half of this, add the half of the b squares. So x square minus half of the b is minus 3x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 10 plus 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, we have added the whole square of the b, the half of the b. So here is the x square minus 3x plus this becomes 3 by 2 whole square is equal to, it becomes 10 plus 9 by 4. Or it's, so here's it is the formula of x minus 3 by 2 whole square. A square plus b square is equal to 10 40 plus 9 by 4. Okay, 40 plus 9 by 4. So x square minus 3 by 2 is equal to under root 49 by 4. So it will convert into the 7 by 4. Got it? So it is it would be 7 if we are taking x square minus 3 by 2 is equal to plus or minus 7 by 4. If its value of x square is equal to positive, taking positive, so positive will be x square is equal to, so convert into 7 by 4 plus 3 by 2. So x square is equal to, always be, sorry, x not x square, x is equal to x is equal to 7 and 2 14 plus 12 by 8. So it becomes 26 by 8. Got it? And 14 plus 12 4 6 and 2 2 1 1 2 8. So sorry, 4 and 13 by 4. And second x, taking the negatives, 7 by 4 minus 3 by 2 will always be 14 minus 12 by 8 is always be 2, and 2 by 8 is equal to 1 by 2. So here the answer will be 3 by 4, sorry, 13 by 4, and here's 1 by 2. These are the answer of these equations, and several equations is these types of the several equations can be solved by the completing the square methods, and this methods will be very helpful for you if you do the practice time after times. You will certainly see that you can not only memorize it but also remember it and recall it, recall it as soon whenever it's required. So it will be a very profitable for you for the class 10th examinations, upcoming examinations, and you can solve these types of the questions in upcoming examinations without any problems. So tricks is available here. So memorizing is have us, as you have to learn the memorizing capacity, and then remembering and recalling capacity, so that you can solve the different types of the problems related to the mathematics here. And with these words, I hope that you will certainly learn whatever I'm learning you, teaching you, and you will certainly be able for that one things. Okay, thank you very much, and take care of yourselves. Have a nice day.